Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to link cells with sheets. To begin, open your Excel workbook. If you want to display the value of a cell from another sheet, simply type an equals sign in your target cell. Then, type the name of the source sheet, followed by an exclamation mark, and finally, the cell reference. For instance, to link cell B5 from a sheet named Data, you would enter equals data exclamation mark B5. This creates a live connection. Linking cells isn't just for displaying single values. You can also integrate these links into more complex formulas. Imagine you need to sum a value from sales data sheet and another from expenses sheet. You would write a formula such as equals sum parenthesis sales data exclamation mark C3 comma expenses exclamation mark C3 parenthesis. This powerful feature ensures your calculations are always up to date, reflecting any changes in the source sheets without manual intervention. Beyond direct cell references, you can also create interactive hyperlinks to navigate your workbook. To do this, select the cell where you want the hyperlink, then go to the Insert tab and choose Hyperlink. In the dialog box, select Place in this document. You can then choose the specific sheet and even a cell reference within that sheet. This allows you to create a clickable link that instantly takes you to the desired location, making your workbook much easier to navigate. To ensure your linked cells and sheets work seamlessly, here are a few best practices. First, always use descriptive and clear names for your sheets. This makes your formulas much more readable and easier to troubleshoot. Second, after creating any link, take a moment to test it to confirm it's pulling the correct data or navigating to the right place. Finally, for frequently referenced cells or ranges, consider defining them as named ranges. This simplifies your formulas significantly, making them more robust and easier to maintain.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.